Hello everybody, today I will teach you how to install Git on Windows. So let's start. I just type download Git Windows in Google search. So let's click on the first page, which brings us to git-sem.com. Okay, to download for Windows it says click here to download. So let's click. I just downloaded the installer. So let's click on the exe file to install. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. It says the folder already exists because I already had Git installed before, so you might not see that, which is totally fine. So I will just say, would you like to install to that folder anyway? Yes. Next. All right, all the way through. Finish. These are the release notes. So just in order to check that we do have Git installed, let's go to a terminal. For example, we could use the new terminal that Git installed for us, which is the Git bash. So here, if we do git -- version, we will see the version that we just installed. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching.